What's up everybody? Thanks for tuning in today. I know it has been a minute since I had put anything on my channel, but I was about to do my makeup, so I just thought, hey, I'll film it. So here we go. Thank you to my 25 subscribers. This video is for you, and if you are new here, don't subscribe if you don't want to be disappointed, because I do not post regularly. All right, we're gonna start off with headband. I just put the hair back so we don't get product in our hair. What I've been prepping my face with lately, which is the Burt's Bees BB Cream Medium SPF 15. So that's nice to have some sunscreen in there. Give it a little shake, get about that much. And I just find this is super moisturizing. It helps even out the skin tone. Next, I've been really enjoying True Match Super Infallible Foundation W5 Warm Medium. So I've been just taking a pump of that, like so, to start with. I might add a little more if I need it. Some people like using their hands, some people definitely not. I've been enjoying from L'Oreal True Match Serum Corrector, their concealer. And I just have a couple little bloop bloop. And then I like to put it in the places where I'm extra pigmented and just kind of even everything out. As a girl with freckles, I don't try to cover them up. I just am trying to even out my redness. This area gets red, and I just try to even out that and then cover up any blemishes that I have. And my freckles always show through. There are trends going around where people are putting on faux freckles and like they look really cute. And I was like, hey, maybe I should get a faux freckle pen. And then I'm like, what in the world? I'm covered with freckles. Why do I need to get a fake one? Ditch that idea. Oh, this is from Wet n Wild. It's a multi-stick called, what is it? What's the color? Kind of a pinky color. And lately I've been kind of playing around with it because I just got it because it was cheap. And I just put a little bit on each eyelid. Just kind of makes it a little bit tacky and helps my eyeshadow stick better. Then I have been loving my Sweet Peach Too Faced palette. Whatever your lighter shade is that you have, tapping off the excess and just kind of using that to matte out the foundation that I have, darker pink one. I'm just gonna start running that in my crease. This palette is nice and pigmented. Those were really light shades, but they still show up. And then I've got this, it's a shimmer shade, but cooler tone. I like to do that in my crease, and it helps with the depth, adding that depth in there. All right, I've done that, and now I'm just grabbing from this little bit. See these 3 shades in a row. So this one is very similar, but it's a little darker, so I'm just going in right there. I'm gonna bring this in at the corner of my eye and just do little circles and slowly bring it up over the crease. Same on the other side. All right, then I like to kind of brush my brush off, and sometimes I'll just take a little bit of that lighter shade again and kind of go around the edges, little circles to kind of blend in the edge so we don't have harsh lines. There we go. Then this, which shade? This shade, again, that I went in the crease with. Go drag that along the lower lash line. I'm going with this darker purple color right here. I love plums. They go well with my green eyes. Finding the lower lash line. I'm gonna hop off and do my brows, and then I'll be back. Wow, brows really make a difference. I'm gonna take a shimmer shade. I'm just gonna pop that on the center of the eyelid. All right, I'm just gonna do a little wing with this. Just going to use my bottom lash line as a guide. For mascara, I've been enjoying Maybelline Pumped Up Colossal Volume Express is getting a little old, sticky, but that's okay. All right, I'm gonna finish this and be back. All right, done with that. Now on to bronzer, something I found that I've been enjoying, which has like a little pinky hue, so I feel like it duos for blush and bronzer. Also, it's like a shade of blush I remember my mom always having growing up. She probably still has it. The brand is Almay Healthy Hue Blush in the shade Rhubarb. I think that's how you pronounce it. So dip my big brush into that. I like to just start tapping into my cheekbone. And I pull my hair back and brush it into the hairline. So we've got evenness. If you put your concealer on, the dots, and then you let it dry down a little bit, and then you smooth it out, it's gonna be a lot fuller coverage. And a lot of times now, I'm just done. Because this is my around the house makeup. So if I do add a lip color, it's gonna be from Ally Glines Revi Beauty in the shade Lily. That's all I have left. Just a perfect natural lip. My color, but better. There you have it. And I didn't curl my lashes, so if they are looking a little flat, I just put my fingers, press them upward, and close my eyes and hold them a minute. And believe it or not, it actually really works. This concludes my everyday makeup look that I have been loving lately. If you are someone who doesn't like to wear as much makeup, you can leave out whatever steps of this you'd like. And if you like a lot of makeup, then add more. It's up to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye. P.S. Skincare product I have been using and enjoying. It is a zinc and castor oil cream. Very simple, just 2 ingredients. But castor oil, people have been using it. People have been seeing results. My sister, who is 32, has been using it and enjoying it. I think as us girlies who are in our 30s are thinking more about preventing wrinkles and sagging skin and other things like that, which we never thought we would have to think about, it's really smart to take care of our skin. One other tip I will give you is all these skincare lines, which are coming out with everything you need for your face. You've got the toner, you've got the moisturizer, you've got the oil, you've got another moisturizer, you've got a mask. I think all of it, don't get me wrong, is great, but I think it can be overwhelming for our skin. Our skin likes simplicity. So the more you can pick a product, use it consistently, that is what's going to help your skin. Okay, bye for real.